Hey, what's going on, guys? AwesomeGamer95 here, and we had a little mess up. The cards that I packed in the first pack, the battery was low and stuff, and there were no good cards, don't worry about it. We're going to be doing the Sun and Moon Guardian Rising Elite Trainer Box names. I'll give an HD look at everything. Just kind of want to open the packs first, so let's go. First pack of this episode, quote unquote, well, second, but whatever. Stuff happens. Let's flip it. I will be giving away every code at the end. Flip from the back. Bum, bum, dum. I saw something. Okay, first up. Fire energy. Oh my god, I see something at the end. Okay, let's just get through this. Slow bro. Kamala. I don't even care. Glisser. No, yeah, Glisser. You can see what's at the back. I am so hyped right now. Fletchling, the one that you actually see a lot in Pokemon X. It's a pretty nice card. We have a Machop, a Phantom, a Barbarch. I see it at the end. I don't even care. I don't care. And boom, bye deep. Really? I should be gashed over this. This is an amazing looking card, but I already have it. It's a GX I already have, but who cares? That's a GX in the first pack. Let's go! Yeah! Komo GX. Dun, dun, dun. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab the one I actually have. Okay, never mind. I'm not going to do that. Not going to do that. But I do already have this card. It's a GX. Nonetheless, yes. First pack GX. That's what I like. That's what I like. That's these cards. Yeah, buddy. Yes, amazing 10 out of 10 would recommend. These packs are amazing. You can pack amazing stuff in these Elite Trainer boxes. I've seen so many of these be opened. And I've seen so many good pools. Just that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I promise I am not doing anything. I just don't want to see it. First up, we have a Fairy Energy. A Machoke. Again, all I need is a Machamp, and I complete that set. I just can't pack it. So Machoke, Altar of the Moony, the Moony. It's gonna be Moon, but I don't care. Choice Band. Alolan Sandshrew. I just love Alolan cards. Snuffle. Tentacool. Because Tentacool. You probably can't see my head, I'm sorry. My brutal. Well, that energy fell. Heleptile. Sorry. Why did I decide to do? Sorry. We have a fellow Reverse, Victory Bell, and a Talonflame. Regular rail. Rare. Come on, I just want a secret rare. I want a secret rare, an ultra rare, anything. But anything I have. You can give me anything but anything I have. Okay? 1, 2. Alright, I see that rare. I don't know what it... Well, I didn't see it. Alright, first we got Dark Energy. A Land Pit. Wait, what? Hold up. Is he not a rare anymore? Aw. Beware. Beware. Flickrit Hill. Nose Pass. AKA Jerome SF. Wishy Washy. There's a GX of that. Slowpoke. A Snuffle. A Samlet. Alright. Here we go. Enhanced Hammer. Please be a good one. I mean, it's a legendary. It's one of my favorite legendaries, Rayquaza, but still regular rare. That's half the packs that I've already done. This ain't good. We only packed 1 GX. I better pack another one. At least some rare or something. A good rare or something, like maybe like a Solgalios or something like Schmat. Oh, it's a green coat. It's not gonna be anything. Got the Chop. Rockruff. Bedlam? Sorry. Whalmer, aka my dog. Gloomy. What? Oh, I didn't do the thing! Dang it, Reverse Weeping Bell. I didn't do it right. I didn't even... Gotham. Why is this even a rare? That shouldn't be a rare. They got the energy and nothing. I forgot to do the trick, not just mess that up. I just hate when you drop your Pokemon cards and it's like a GX and you didn't get to open the whole pack. Alright, please be a white code. Please be a white code. Yes! I think, hopefully it still works. Mulbray, if I remember correctly, is that Mulbray? Mudbray, sorry. Vanilla, Gligar. Some of these I can't pronounce. Litwick. Clefairy. I didn't do the trick! Anyways, reverse Chansey. Bing! A hollow Gullispud. Alrighty, we'll have a recap after this. I don't know where I put that GX, but we will have a recap. Then the energy, of course. The Hamoko, the GX pack, the rescue, and a Logan Graveler. That is a cool looking card. I would put that in there, and I would put that in there. Alright guys, I need you guys right now to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button in 3, 2, 1 for these last packs. Because these are the last 2 packs of the video, and hopefully we get something good to finish it off with Chabang. I really hope we just don't pack that 1 GX because I already have it. Oh, that's clean. You're dead. Nope, not a white code.
Finished already?
No. Yes, my dad. That's my dad. So we have a Dark Energy already, a Field Blower, another Choice Band, Mentang, Phantom, Barboach, Kavana, Jamago, I don't care, Tentacool, And a tree event. Guys, last pack. Let's go. Arceus, if you're up there, bless us with the goods because we have not had very good pack. I mean, we packed a GX, but we need something good, maybe like a full art, maybe a secret rare. Come on, just like hollow at the very least, and just like give us something good. Hopefully it's not a green code. If it is, then well, GG no re. This was literally the worst you're gonna get out of this. Oh, well that didn't work. I just revealed every single card to myself. Well, hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. I'm just very sad. We packed a hollow. And a GX. That was the best. Why am I sad still? Well, it shouldn't be like this. It's still an amazing card. I already have it. I'm sorry, it just... Hello, dark smile, friend. Well, recap, wrap, no, just kidding. Hello, GX, Alolan Sandshrew, Reverse Chansey, Alolan Graveler, Hello, Glissypod or something, I don't care, and Rayquaza. You know what we could have got? Let me just show you some of the things we could have got. I don't even think you can see those, but all of those GX's rainbow rares. We got the secret rares. I'm done. This is so bad. Well, at least I got 45 energies. So 45 energies, I'm just gonna stay happy. I already have a ton of cards. So we got 45 energies. I think it's 45? Yeah, 45 energies. I'm definitely gonna use these. How many are these? 60 sleeves? 65 sleeves. Definitely gonna use. Limited edition dice. I will get these out. Just gonna go to McDonald's. Be happy. Oh, nice. Oh my gosh, they won't come out. Just a ton of dice. I like this one. It's big, and then the normal ones. Here. We got the death and stuff counters. I don't really know. The book, the hand guide that everyone loves. These I will use a lot. The dividers. They divide like you can divide your commons, rares, GX, uncommons. And I think that's it. And then they had the 8 packs. That wasn't that fun. But now, gotta reveal the codes. Every code. This is like an 80 card giveaway. 3. How many? 1. We had probably like 2 whites. this was not good. Today was just not my day. I should have saved this till tomorrow. Yeet. Get out the way. Is that everyone? No, I see one. I think that's all 8. Let's count. Oh, and only one. Take one code only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm missing one. Okay, anyways, it's fine. Here are all the codes. One code. Only take one code, guys. Make it fair. Another code. Another code. Another code. Another code. Another code. That one's upside down. Another code. And the last code. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm AwesomeGamer95, and this was not the best pack opening, but hey, don't need to complain that much because we got GX. We got GX. Anyway, this was amazing. We packed a GX, we packed the Rayquaza, but just I already have that GX. That just disappoints me. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. This was Pokemon openings of the Elite Trainer box. And get ready, Dad. I'm out!